Naruto Uzumaki was a young ninja who lived in the Hidden Leaf Village once upon a time. He was recognized for his ardent passion and aspiration to become the best Hokage, or village leader. Many, however, questioned him, continually reminding him that he was a failure. Naruto was walking through the village when he overheard some kids whispering behind his back. They called him a failure and laughed at his dreams. But Naruto didn't let their hurtful words bring him down. Instead, he smiled and vowed to prove them wrong. At the Ninja Academy, Naruto's sensei, Iruka, noticed his struggles and approached him. Iruka knew about the painful past Naruto had, as he was an orphan and the vessel of the powerful Nine-Tailed Spock's spirit. Despite that, Iruka believed in Naruto and encouraged him not to give up on his dreams. Determined to prove his worth, Naruto started training harder than ever. He practiced his ninjutsu, studied the ninja arts, and even learned new techniques from his friends. With each passing day, Naruto could feel himself getting stronger. In the village, Naruto's fellow ninja in training, Sasuke, was considered a prodigy. He had a natural talent and was often praised for his skills. This fueled Naruto's desire to surpass him and silence his critics once and for all. The Chunin exams, a prestigious ninja tournament, arrived, and Naruto saw it as the perfect opportunity to prove himself. He faced tough opponents, but his determination and never-give-up attitude helped him prevail in each challenge. In the final round of the exams, Naruto faced off against his rival, Sasuke. Their battle was intense, and even though Naruto fought with all his might, he couldn't defeat Sasuke. But in that moment, he realized that being a true ninja wasn't just about winning battles, it was about protecting those you care for. When Sasuke decided to leave the village to seek more power, Naruto knew he had to do something. He embarked on a dangerous mission to bring Sasuke back, even if it meant going against the village's orders. Throughout his journey, Naruto encountered many allies who supported him, including Sakura, Kakashi, and even Gaara, who had once been his enemy. Together, they formed bonds of friendship that made Naruto even stronger. Finally, Naruto confronted Sasuke in a climactic showdown. As they fought, Naruto poured his heart out, explaining how he understood Sasuke's pain and loneliness. He urged him to come back to the village and find a new path, one where they could achieve greatness together. Moved by Naruto's words, Sasuke couldn't bring himself to strike the final blow. He returned to the village, and Naruto's unwavering belief in him had paid off. The villagers who once saw Naruto as a failure now looked up to him as a hero. Years passed, and Naruto never gave up on his dream of becoming Hokage. With his dedication, he earned the respect of the entire village and became their leader. He showed the world that no matter what others said, as long as you believed in yourself and worked hard, you could achieve greatness. And so, the tale of Naruto Uzumaki came to an end. His journey was a testament to the power of perseverance and the strength that lies within oneself. He proved all his doubters wrong and became a symbol of hope and inspiration for generations to come.